She's looking after her babies. Vincent's the proud father. Okay, are we filming?
Yes.
Good.
I've got your horrible witch face on.
It's not a witch face.
There's the wheelbarrow. Bloody old. Okay, go.
And I don't do stupid filming, just come and do it nice.
That's my wonderful
Okay,
bike.
I've primed this wheelbarrow because I'm going to paint it with some paint. Cost me $10. I'm just going to try it out. And I'm going to do the whole wheelbarrow.
Okay, let's go.
And then I'm going to... Oh. Ooh. Look at this. It's all going splattery. Oh, I need a mask, I think. Hey, ah. Oh, shit. Did it go in my eyes?
No.
Film me. Oh. God, you're the most bloody cameraman.
Just hurry up.
Okay. It's all over my fingers. Maybe I need gloves.
Hang on, put your finger out. Put your finger out. I just want to see.
All over my finger. I need gloves, and I think I got some. I don't know. Didn't get in my eyes, but...
Okay.
It doesn't look that...
This. Here, you film me do it. Watch. You do it this.
Oh, no, it's actually going all over the place, Vincent. I think maybe we need to do it in... under a... Yeah, stop. Okay, you tell us how to do it, Mr. Paul. Look at his dungaree old... Yeah, it's wasting it really, isn't it? Hey, are we filming? It's a man's... But I mean, we're not used to doing this kind of thing, are we? We need a few tips. Right, Paul's going to show us how it's done. Just do it in little spats like that. Great. I think I can simulate that. But as you can see, Vincent, it's getting a much nicer thing on it. Fantastic. Doesn't mean to say you're better than me, though. Does it?
I'm a male. I'm far superior.
No, it's just you've learnt these things, you bloody moron. Haven't you? I'm quite capable. No, but we're going to do that. I'm quite capable of getting you to do all the work for me. Hey, Vincent. Hey, there's all my dandelions, and I'm going to be picking for my dandelion wine. Dandelion wine. And what the hell is the television doing beside two blooming toilet bowls outside? Look, here's Paul's garden. It's growing beautifully. And what's this growing in the garden? Yes, well, my tomatoes are not doing too badly. These little Brussels sprouts. And I do have a few weeds in there, I've got to admit. But basically, the bloody bird came and ate my blooming strawberry. What else have I got in there? Weeds. And there's my blooming strawberry eaten by the birdies. Naughty birdies! Voila, I've managed to get him to do the whole bloody lot. I've done a little bit, but not much. Hey, darling.
Women can't handle the big jobs.
Women can handle the big jobs, but they just prefer to get the men to do it. I'm attaching this to the end of my video. There's a shout out for the Fataussiebarstard because he wants one. Fataussiebarstard, he's a bastard from hell. And the Fataussiebarstard, he sure really does smell. I can smell him from Australia, looking across the sea. The smell of the Fataussiebarstard coming straight over to me. The Fataussiebarstard. Fataussiebarstard. He's adorable.